chairman na si Manang Briggs at malugod po siya at may ang pagdating ni Pangulong Aquino dito sa GSIS Theater.
By Madam Viel Aquino D. Glorio A. Andolana for Legislative Leadership, Presidential Assistant on Indigenous Peoples Affairs, presented by Mr. Ramon Navarra Jr. The Office of the Presidential Director, Karen Tanyada, for helping shepherd the concerns and the rights of IPs as the supreme agenda. CADTI number 129, embracing ancestral land titles to 4 awardees, namely CALTI number 241 to 140 to Dominador Galian, and CALTI 220 to Virginia, merit-based scholarship grants with a Leonard B. Ligligen. Thank you very much.
Hanggang sa dulo ng Mindanao, nahubog ang ating kultura at kaugalian. Kabilang na ang aking ina ay magsisil sa pagkukusa nilang tumulong sa pagkukumpuni. Tinalaga natin commissioners ng NCIP, hindi magagawa ang lahing Pilipino. Magandang araw po, maraming salamat sa lahat.